welcome back to my channel. It's Nita here from Next with Nita, and today I'll be showing you how I achieve these nice little loose waves with a straightener. And this is actually 5-day-old hair, so I'm giving you some tips and tricks of how to revitalize and freshen up your hair after so long. So if you're interested, keep watching. So I'm going to start with, of course, just combing through my hair, and I'm going to section off my hair into 2 parts. I don't have super thick hair, so I don't need to do 3 parts, and sometimes I can get away without even sectioning it all together just because of how thin my hair is. You can either hold it with a clip or a scrunchie. I'm just using a mini scrunchie. This is the tool that I'm using. This is the GHD Platinum Plus Styler, and it is just very sleek. I got the white version, and it just does such a great job. You can straighten your hair with this, or you can curl it. So I'm going to show you how I use this to curl. So I actually use the Kerastase blow dry tool right here for a heat protectant. I already put this in my hair a few days ago. The cool thing about this is it has this technology in there that with heat, it like reactivates this. So I put on a ton when I first get out of the shower, and then I might put on a little bit more, but that's about it. I already put this in my hair, but this is the heat protectant that I like to use. Whenever you're sectioning off, you don't want this section to be bigger than this tool itself. Like you see the rim right here? You don't want the section to be bigger than that. That will make such a big difference whenever you're curling your hair, especially with a straightener. You just want to make sure you get the right section. So I'm going to try to do this in 3s, actually. Take your straightener. Go upside down and pull down. Get like a nice little curl like this, and that's what you want. Take your tool from underneath, run it upside down, and pull outwards as smooth as you can be with this. And I'm just gonna like twist it a little bit and let the heat just simmer. I'm not gonna brush it out yet. So this is what the bottom layer looks like. I'm just gonna let it sit. Not gonna brush it out yet, but I will go ahead and undo the scrunchie. Excuse the lighting, we're doing this in natural light, so it's gonna be a little wishy-washy, shmishy-smashy. But split my hair down the middle, and we're gonna do the front. Now, take a small little piece. I'm gonna move as fast as possible because lighting keeps changing on me. Clamp in the top, twist, basically going upside down, and slowly pull down. Slowly, because you do want the rest of the curl to like hit the heat. And voila. I'm gonna go in with my trusty dry shampoo. This is IGK First Class. This is good for really oily hair. Gives you at least a little bit of white residue, but I kind of like that. And I just rub it in with my finger. Kind of shows me that the dry shampoo is working. And then it gives you like really good grit and texture up top. And then another product I'm gonna add in is this Kerastase VIP Volume and Powder. If you were to get one thing from this tutorial, it would be this product right here. Spray that into my roots. And then another trick I like to do is simply flip your hair over. Make sure that all the product is in. Flip it back. And last but not least, let's kind of make the ends nice and silky. So I'm using this Colleen Rothschild Smooth and Shine Hair Serum. I know the lighting is terrible. Bear with me, we're almost through. I'm just gonna run this through the ends of my hair. And there you have it. Totally just turned around 5-day hair. And so it's not so oily up on top. Give it a little bit of oomph on the bottom, just nice solid waves. I'm not gonna brush it out too much just because I didn't really curl it too much, and that way it'll last all day long. Added in some of that Kerastase volume powder that'll just kind of help keep these intact and give me an extra day with my hair. The most important thing, honestly, is practice, especially when you're using your straightener. Practice with the straightener turned off and just get used to the motion of clamping down and twisting, because sometimes that motion is like the hardest part of straightening with or curling with a straightener, or like even adding just like a little bit of oomph like this right here. So, and then one last thing I didn't even get to share with you guys is this Kerastase product. I sleep with this in my hair. It's their 8-hour magic night serum. This is like just a good sleeping mask, kind of like you would do with your face if you had a sleeping face mask. It's a sleeping mask for your hair, and when you wake up the next morning, it's honestly feeling so fresh, revived, and all the good things. So if you can get this as well, totally worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, just leave them down below, and we will chat soon. Bye!